All right, we are recording, guys. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. It's Prince for Real. And guess what, guys? We have already achieved our second milestone. Yes, second milestone, which was 500 subscribers. And as promised in my previous video, that on 500 subscribers, I'll be giving a gift, basically a giveaway of a chair, a model of chair. Well, a number of you commented. Basically, two of you commented that like is it a real chair that a subscriber will be getting, or like what is it? So basically it's a model of a chair, right? It's a blender model which I created. So let me show you the image of it, like how it looks, then I'll be coming back like to give you to do the giveaway. Such a huge event. Right, so this is a blender model of a chair that I made for 500 subscribers. Right, so this is what you will be getting today, and this is the fbx file of this chair, right, which you will find down in the description. The link will be down in the description, and it will be a Google Drive link. So yeah, so basically all the gifts that this channel will be offering will be shared in that folder, in those two folders which I'll be sharing in the description. So if you join in at any point, right, like if you join in today or like after 2 3 months, you'll find everything in those folder only, like everything that we have given away, all of it will be in those two folders only. So this is the fbx model, right? According to me, it looks quite good because obviously I made it, man. It took like, I don't know, 2 to 3 days for me to do this, right? So yeah, it's obviously efforts. Yep. So next thing that I realized that since I'll be sharing with you the blend file of this as well, because some of you might be like 3D creators by themselves, right? So you, like if you want to modify something in the chair, like the chair, the color of that seat or the color of the back of the chair, or anything, then I thought that maybe the model should be customizable. So that's why I'll be sharing the blend file as well, the link for the .blend file of this chair as well. So you will be finding that as well in the description. But since the blend file and the texturing there works a bit differently, because UV mapping requires like for me I've used an image for UV mapping, right? So basically the thing was, if you will open it at your end, like just randomly downloading it and opening it, you will find the chair like this, like there will be no color or anything like that on the chair, right? So what you have to do is, with this chair or with this link, I'll be attaching basically an image, right? So let me show you the image as well, how the image will look. Wait a minute. So this will be the image. Come on, open up. Yep. This is the color palette. Basically, that's what we call it in technical terms. The color palette that I've used, right? So that's the color palette that you will be getting along with this. Now, what you have to do once you have downloaded this blend file and the color palette, just like if you don't know how to do this, the side of this. So, yep. And this is how the file will open up. Or maybe I will do the bifurcation myself, and it will open up like this only. Yep. It will open up like this. So yep, this is how you will see the file. Now just come here, just click on this button. You will see UV editor in this. Just click on the UV editor. Now the image is already loaded in here because I have it already loaded on my system. But because you won't be having the image here, so what you have to do, just scroll, right? Mouse scroll and click on this folder button and locate the palette, color palette, where you have downloaded it. So if you have downloaded it somewhere in this folder, then just click and open the image. The image will open up here, right? And now what you have to do, just wait a minute, let me give you a close up. Yep, it's material. So basically select any one of these, like I've selected the seat, and scroll down, click on this material tab. In this material tab, you will see this base color and everything. So we have to focus on base color. In this, you will see that it says image. So it's not basically RGBA type of setting. It's basically an image, right? Because on using UV mapping, we basically require an image which can be used as a color palette. So that's the image. And here is the file that you have to open up again inside this setting. So just click on folder, and where is it? There you go, open up, right? So as soon as you open up that image in any of this, like if you select this and then open up, it will show up automatically for all of these because they are all linked as material, right? They are linked according to material. So basically it will like show up for everything, right? Now suppose if you want to just modify the back side of this chair, let's say this part, just click on it, just click, select it, press tab. This will open up the edit mode, right? Press A will select all the faces that are there in this part of the chair. You will see them in the mapper as well. There you go, there they are. And now if you want to change their colors, suppose they are like off white or grayish right now, blue only. right? And then this also blue. So what this will do is, see, that's how you can change the colors of the seat, right? So this is how you have to go about if you want to just modify it. I assume that if you are already a modeler, then you might just have the knowledge to how to just modify the colors and all, the UV mapping setting, everything. But just in case if you don't know, then that's actually the method to do it, right? So I will bring them back to the original colors. There you go. Let's suppose we want to change this part, or maybe like seat. Let's change the seat first. Select it. You will see the faces. Basically the faces are mapped here. And now if I want to make it a little darker, or maybe like bluish black, blackish blue, whatever you can call it, that's how you do it, right? It's so simple, right? That's it. Yeah. So this is what you will be getting for now, guys. Thank you very very much. Love your support. 517 subscribers. Let's go. And one more thing, let me give you a glimpse of what you will be getting on 1K subscriber, right? So I have already like finished this one as well. So this project is called Day and Night. If you follow me on Instagram, then you might have already seen it. There, I posted this, right? So drum rolls. Well, I can't edit them. So lol. This is basically the house, or maybe like miniature house, you can call it, that you will be getting on 1K subscriber. So if you are not a subscriber, just please subscribe. You are getting all this stuff for free, man, just by subscribing. So yeah. So this is pretty much it for 1K, right? That's what the next giveaway will be about, right? So this is the daytime render and this is the nighttime render. Haha, dope. This is the car. You might have already just received the car by now, I suppose, because I already just gave the cars, all the cars and everything in this giveaway when the subscriber count was 100. So if you haven't, just check this shorts out and you will find the like, let me show you where you are going to find the link. The link, it says the link is in description, and here you go. There's a description. Here's a link, right? So yeah. Now these are basically the what? Let me just show you. Yeah. So basically these are blend files and FBX files both again, and this is the texturing link, right? The color palette basically. So that's how you go about, right? Yep. Okay, so it's all on you. If you want it quickly, then please do subscribe. Please like, share the video, share the channel with your friends, family, everyone, and just get them to subscribe. Yes, just say them, man, I want this model. Haha. Right? So yes, just let's just go for it. This is the cool house that I saw on Instagram. Let me show you where's the reference image. So this is the house. It was on this Instagram handle, and I thought that yes, I can make it as well. So I tried to replicate it, but then I tried to just give it some personal finishing touches, right? Like I included the chair in it because I already have one. I included the car in it because I had one, right? So these things were like, they were quite creative of me. So that's it. This is the gift for 1K. So it's all on you now. Well, the gift is already ready. So please hit this, like you will see a subscribe button if you are not a subscriber, a red subscribe button. Just please hit that subscribe button, increase this count, and just come on. Let's see how fast we can go to 1K, because it's almost about how many days? 3 to 4 days. Yes, 4 days when I uploaded this, and it was around 470 subscribers. So yes, in 4 days, if we can hit 30, 40 subscribers, then 1K is not that far. Yes, and if you are still watching the video, hats off to you, right? So that's it. I'm very excited. Let's see how quickly we can reach 1K subscribers. And I don't know how and why YouTube just didn't enable this community tab till now. Well, I searched it on the internet and it says that it takes about 1 week for YouTube to just add that community tab post here. So yeah, once it appears, I'll be sharing the post of this giveaway, just in case if you miss it. All these links in that post, so you can just download them from that. Yep, so that's on you. Well, that's it. Thank you everyone for your support. And yes, one more thing. If you want, I can make a video on like from where to get this particular software for free, right? Because I got it for free. Don't waste money. It's very precious. So never waste money. If you can get something for free, try to get it, right? So yeah, that's it from my side. Keep supporting, keep subscribing, and see you in the next video. Hope we reach 1K subs quickly and I give you that house for free. Yup. Just check out the links in the description. Your gift is waiting for you, guys. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Good night. Stay safe. Bye bye.